Welcome to Idea Sessions. In this video, we will cover 10 things to do to start journaling daily for mental health. Set a clear purpose. To start journaling daily for mental health, set a clear purpose before you begin. Determine why you want to journal, whether it's to reduce stress, track your mood, or gain clarity on your thoughts. This purpose will guide your writing and keep you motivated, even on days when you might feel stuck. For example, if your goal is to process emotions, you can start by asking yourself how you feel each day and why. If your focus is on gratitude, write down 3 things you're thankful for. Having a clear purpose will give your journaling sessions direction, making it easier to form a habit. Over time, this practice can help you gain insights into your emotions and patterns, contributing to a greater sense of self-awareness and well-being. Start small. Begin with just 5 minutes a day or a few sentences so it doesn't feel like a daunting task. This approach makes journaling manageable, especially if you're new to it or have a busy schedule. Focus on writing whatever comes to mind, your thoughts, feelings, or a quick recap of your day. You don't need to fill pages. Even a few words can help you process emotions and reflect on your mental state. For example, write about a positive moment, a challenging experience, or one thing you're grateful for. By starting small, you remove the pressure of creating something perfect, making it easier to stay consistent. Over time, as journaling becomes a habit, you might find yourself naturally wanting to write more. Choose a routine and stick to it. Decide on a specific time of day that works best for you, whether it's in the morning to set your intentions or at night to reflect on your day. Consistency is key, as it helps you build a habit and makes journaling feel like a natural part of your routine. For example, you might start journaling right after your morning coffee or just before going to bed. Make it part of your self-care ritual, like brushing your teeth or unwinding before sleep. By committing to a regular time, you create a sense of stability and mindfulness, making it easier to maintain the habit. Over time, this routine will become a comforting space where you can check in with yourself and process your thoughts. Suck. Use prompts. Prompts can provide a starting point, especially on days when you're unsure what to write about. They can focus on various aspects of mental well-being, such as gratitude, self-reflection, or stress management. For example, try prompts like, "What is one thing I'm proud of today?" or "What made me feel anxious, and how did I handle it?" This approach keeps journaling from feeling repetitive and encourages deeper exploration of your thoughts and emotions. You can find prompts online or create a list tailored to your needs. Having these questions at hand can help you build a consistent habit as they remove the pressure of thinking about what to write. Using prompts allows you to dive deeper into your experiences and makes journaling a more meaningful daily practice. No pressure for perfection. Journaling is a personal space for you to express your thoughts and feelings, and it doesn't have to be polished or perfectly structured. Let go of the need for perfect grammar, spelling, or writing beautifully. Focus instead on being honest with yourself. Write freely, even if it's messy or scattered. This is your space to be authentic without judgment. For example, you can scribble down random thoughts, vent about a tough day, or jot down feelings without worrying about how it sounds. By removing the pressure for perfection, you make journaling a more approachable and stress-free activity. It encourages you to show up consistently because you're not aiming for a perfect entry each time, just a truthful one. Over time, this practice can help you gain clarity and emotional relief. Reflect on progress. Over time, as you write regularly, go back and read your previous entries. This helps you see patterns, emotional growth, and the changes in your thoughts and feelings. Reflecting on past journal entries can give you insight into how you've handled challenges, what coping mechanisms worked, and where you've made improvements. It can also highlight recurring issues or triggers that need more attention. For example, you might notice that a stressful situation that once overwhelmed you no longer has the same impact, showing your progress in emotional resilience. By reviewing your journal periodically, you stay motivated to continue, as you can clearly see how journaling has helped you grow. This reflection fosters a deeper connection with yourself and reinforces the benefits of journaling for your mental health. Create a relaxing environment. Find a quiet spot where you can unwind, away from distractions. Consider adding calming elements like soft lighting, candles, or relaxing music to set the mood. Creating a cozy atmosphere makes journaling feel like a treat rather than a chore, making it easier to turn it into a daily habit. For example, you might curl up in a comfy chair with a warm cup of tea before writing. The goal is to make the experience peaceful and inviting, so that it becomes a time you look forward to each day. This calming routine can help you feel more at ease, allowing your thoughts to flow freely onto the page. A soothing environment makes journaling feel more like a mindful practice, benefiting your mental well-being. Combine with gratitude practice. Including gratitude in your journal can shift your focus towards the positive aspects of life, which can boost your mood and overall outlook. Start by writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small they may seem, like a sunny morning, a comforting conversation, or a delicious meal. This simple habit helps to reframe your mindset, especially on challenging days, by highlighting moments of joy and appreciation. Over time, gratitude journaling can improve your resilience and help you cultivate a more optimistic perspective. It also serves as a reminder of the good things that exist in your life, even during tough times. By blending gratitude with your daily journaling, you create a balanced practice that not only processes emotions but also fosters a sense of positivity. Use different formats. You don't have to stick to traditional long-form entries. Explore other styles like bullet journaling, mood tracking, or even sketching. For instance, a bullet journal can help you quickly note daily highlights or track your mood using simple symbols. Some days you might prefer writing lists, like things that made you smile, while on other days, you could draw how you feel. Mood trackers, where you color in a chart based on your feelings, can provide a visual representation of your emotional journey. This variety keeps journaling fresh and adaptable to your daily needs, making it easier to maintain consistency. By mixing up formats, you avoid feeling stuck in a routine and make journaling a creative and enjoyable part of your mental health care. Share your experience. Discussing your journaling journey can foster a sense of community and support, making the practice feel less isolating. You might share your insights with friends or family, or even join online forums or social media groups focused on mental health and journaling. By opening up about your challenges and successes, you not only hold yourself accountable but also encourage others to explore journaling as a tool for their mental well-being. Sharing your experiences can lead to valuable discussions, where you learn new techniques or prompts from others. It's also rewarding to hear how journaling has impacted someone else's life, deepening your connection with the practice. Ultimately, sharing your experience can enhance your journaling journey, providing motivation and a sense of belonging as you navigate your mental health. These strategies can help others find their own way to make journaling a consistent and positive part of their mental health routine. We hope this video helps you, and check out our other video related to mental health.